Hello everyone, welcome to KTalk. I'm K. Today is Monday, May 19, 2025. Next, let's review last week's performance of the three major US stock indexes and the current market performance of Bitcoin. Last week, the US stock market was very strong throughout the week, with a gap up and open a continuous upward chain. It can be said to have swept away the gloom since the trade issues engaged. The gains for the three major US stock indexes were not small. As usual, let's first look at the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq's weekly chart closed with a strong shape head bullish candle. It felt like it's about to break out to a new high. Therefore, from a weekly perspective, there is no reason to be bearish. We should be waiting for the new high. Looking at the 4-hour chart, the chain has been pressing tightly towards 19,000 points. From the 4-hour perspective, it is very strong and doesn't seem likely to have a 4-hour consolidation easily. At most, there's just a 30-minute consolidation now. Let's look at the 30-minute chart. There is a small 30-minute consolidation, perhaps even just a 5-minute level consolidation. Many people say this is a short squeeze situation, believing the index should be 4. I don't see a reason for it to fall based on the chain. There's a possibility of a fall after making a new high, but the stage of strong upward momentum and being so close to the new high, I believe the possibility of making a new high is great. So there's no need to be short. Wait for the new high. Let's look at the S&P 500. The S&P's weekly chart is still strong, just look like Nasdaq, moving towards a new high. The 4-hour gains is even stronger than the Nasdaq's. Look at the 30-minute chart. It's directly broken through the upper edge of the 30-minute channel, signaling a new round of gains. Now let's look at the Dow Jones. Although the Dow's weekly chart is not as strong as the other two indexes, the rise on the last day allowed the weekly chart to close with a strong shape head bullish candle. The 4-hour level. The 4-hour level is still on the large bear bull line, with a feeling of slightly breaking through. It could be a hidden concern for the Dows because it is not as strong as the other two indexes at the 4-hour level. It's still in the 4-hour bearish territory and needs a strong breakout. However, Dow's 30-minute chart performance is very strong you can see that it has broken above and upper edge of the channel on the 30-minute chart, indicating a new wave of gains. It seemed the Dow should have no problem breaking through the 4-hour resistance. The performance of the three major US stock indices last week was very strong, showing momentum towards new highs. It can be said that the territory pulse in Che issue brought a very good upward atmosphere to the US stock markets. After looking at the US stocks, let's look at the current situation of Bitcoin. Bitcoin experienced a new high this morning after a rebound, and then began to plummet. It can be said that what I was worried about has happened. It was the last 4-hour consolidation before Bitcoin's rise. If Bitcoin breaks below the consolidation now, it's possible that a new round of bear market will begin. So everyone need to be careful. Let's look at the consolidation this round, and this rebound this is a daily rebound. Okay, it's a daily rebound. You can see this is a day chart, and the day chart Bitcoin at the top is 110,000, 110,000, and then bearish. This is the rebound. Now is the rebound's top. Let's look at the 4-hour. There's 5 consolidation we can see. This is the last bearish consolidation, and then bullish consolidation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 4-hour level consolidation may be the last uptrend consolidation. Yes, and then the Bitcoin's rebound will be end at this consolidation. So let's look at the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart shows the pattern of the last consolidation. You can see the 4-hour level consolidation continued until last night, then suddenly surged upward, but pulled down by the bear. This morning it surged strongly again. This surge was a bull trap. Then a new high appeared. Then a significant decline began. This is characteristic atop. This possibility of Bitcoin making new high maybe is not high, and you need to be mentally prepared for Bitcoin's possibly start a new bear market. Let's look at the 30-minute chart. Okay, the 30-minute chart has fallen the lower edge of the channel, you can see, and it feels like it's about to break below the channel. It can be said to be a very bad trend. Once it breaks 4-hour level, bearish trend will begin. Therefore, the direction for Bitcoin is short. After as for when to be go short, I think since this is a lower edge of the channel, this should be some support. After support, lead to a rebound, reach the bull bear line. It may be a support, and now yes, it's a support at the edge, lower edge of the channel. Maybe there is a rebound to the bull bear line. The rebound will be end, and that will be the best time to short. This is the Bitcoin, what I want to do at the future. We can see the Bitcoin just at the bearish chain, so waiting for the short point. This is the point to short. Okay.